Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome back to my YouTube channel Gardening Paradise. The small garden is front of my house. Is a result of my favorite hobby, gardening. Gardening is my favorite hobby. I think it is the best of all the hobbies, which one can follow with a lot of amusement and benefits to health. I have laid out a smaller of amusement and benefit to health. I have laid out a smaller garden in front of my house. When I sit in my smaller garden, a great pleasure, sweet fragrant flowers of different hues sweeten as my mind. It helps me in many ways while working in the garden. Not only do I spend my time in a better way, but also improve my health as thus I spend my time in better way, but also improve my health as thus I take exercise unwilling. It brings me close to nature and I feel lost like wordsmith in the beauty of the blossoms and blossoms around me. The garden in front of my house is small, no doubt, but even then I am proud of it because it is a result of my own hard labor. There are smaller beds of flowers in which I grow seasonal flowers. When the plants bear blossoms, I feel a thrill of joy in my mind and take pride in my creativity labor. Whenever any of my favorite friends and ask me anything about sowing and maintaining of plants, I give him information with negative feelings. Surrounding by the beds of flowers is a smaller lawn with soft velvety green grass. And thanks for watching.